Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best consumer antivirus for creators by comparing Norton 360 and Bitdefender. If you're looking for the best consumer antivirus for creators in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Both Bitdefender and Norton secure a wide array of operating systems. For Windows users, both services fully support modern versions, including Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and Windows 7. Mac users are also well covered. Bitdefender supports Mac OS X Yosemite 10.10 or later, and Norton covers the current and previous two versions of Mac OS. Both Bitdefender and Norton offer plans that scale up protection based on how many devices you own, which allows users to choose the plan that fits their digital life. Norton's consumer plans start with protecting up to one device and go up to 10 devices with its highest tier plan. This allows users to easily upgrade their security as their device collection grows. All four of Bitdefender's individual plans protect 5 devices. For users with a larger digital footprint, Bitdefender also offers 4 family plans. Each of the family plans supports 5 separate accounts and protects a total of 25 devices. These plans start at $139.99 and go up to $269.99. In comparison, Norton's highest tier plan only covers 10 devices for $189.99. Bitdefender's generous device limits and range of family options are why I gave them the win in this category. While both Norton Parental Control and Bitdefender Parental Control aim to help parents guide their children's online experiences, they offer distinct approaches and features. Both Norton and Bitdefender recognize the critical threat posed by information exposed on the dark web and offer dedicated monitoring features to help users safeguard their digital identities. Norton's dark web monitoring is included with Norton 360 Standard, Deluxe, and Select Plus plans. It actively searches for a range of personal information like email addresses, phone numbers, credit card numbers, and gamer tags. Bitdefender and Norton have virtual private networks, VPN. While they are not the best VPNs, they still help keep online activity private. Norton's VPN maintains a strict no-logs policy and is packed with features like compromised network detection, kill switch, IP rotation, double VPN, DNS leak protection, and split tunneling. It allows access to geo-restricted content across over 100 server locations worldwide, including 25 cities in the United States. The VPN feature is available on the Standard, Deluxe, and Select Plus plans. Bitdefender is not as feature-rich but does include features like a kill switch, split tunneling, an integrated ad blocker, and anti-tracker. Bitdefender's VPN has more than 4,000 servers across 50 countries. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.